Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing a serious contender in the portable power bank world. The Baseus model KNW27 power bank with a 65-watt output and a 2060 800 mAh capacity. This beast promises to keep your devices juiced up all day long, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype in an unboxing that will show you all you need to know about it. As a disclaimer, please note that this video isn't sponsored at all. I have bought this with my own money, so this is my own opinion and not a promotional video. And while you're there, please give a like below and hit subscribe for more videos alike. Let's roll. Now, this isn't your average juice pack. 65 watts of output means you can fast charge even the most demanding laptops. And with a massive 2060 800 mAh capacity, you'll be able to top up your phone multiple times, your tablet, and even your laptop on the go. This thing is a true powerhouse. 65-watt output, that's enough to fast charge even demanding laptops. Me personally, I bought it to charge my stabilized drones that require a lot of power and fast charging. And with a massive 2060 800 mAh capacity, you're looking at multiple charges for all your devices. This isn't just powerful, it's also versatile in terms of the amount of devices that can power up. Let's break down the key features. Multi-port charging. Equipped with both USB-C and USB-A ports, you can simultaneously charge multiple devices. Need to power your laptop while charging your phone? No problem. Pass-through charging. This is a game changer. Charge the power bank itself while simultaneously charging your devices. Efficiency at its finest. Robust safety features. Overcurrent, overvoltage, short-circuit protection. All built in to safeguard your devices and the power bank itself. Surprisingly compact. For such a high-capacity battery, this power bank is remarkably portable. Slip it into your bag and forget about power anxiety. The Baseus 65-watt 2060 800 mAh, a definite winner. Powerful, well-built, and a must-have for digital nomads and power users alike. The Baseus 65-watt 2060 800 mAh power bank, a resounding success. It's powerful, well-crafted, and a must-have for anyone who relies on their devices. First impressions? I must tell you, this thing oozes quality. The build is robust, the design is sleek and modern. What's inside? The power bank itself, a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable, and a concise user manual. Simple, yet elegant. A reliable and powerful companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Power that fits in your pocket. What are your thoughts? Have you tried this power bank? Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned for more in-depth tech reviews and exciting unboxings coming soon. Thanks for watching.